everybody. For today's topic, you're going to learn about the body coordination. So what is body coordination? Body coordination is the process by which different parts of the body work together to bring about the correct response. Again, take note of this phrase, work together. For example, you want to drink a glass of water. So some parts of your body needs to coordinate or again to work together. So make sure your eyes, your brain, your muscles needs to coordinate in order for you to take that glass of water and drink. Okay, for the body coordination to take place, there must be a stimulus, receptors to detect the stimulus, and effectors to carry out the response. Again, take note of the following words. Stimulus. Can everybody say stimulus? Receptors. Effectors. Response. Okay, so these are the things that needs for your body to work together. Class, let us discuss first some vocabulary words today that is part of our lesson so it's easy for you to understand. Okay, the first word is stimulus or stimuli. Stimulus if it's singular, stimuli if it's plural. It is something that causes growth, activity, or reaction. Again, causes growth, activity, or reaction. It is also something that incites to action or quickens action, feeling, or thought. For example, in this given picture, so inside the phone, you can see that the rat is running around the phone. So this one is the stimulus. And as you can see, these two cats trying to catch this rat. So this makes the reaction of the cat. Okay, so because of the stimulus, which is the rat. Second is we have the word response. Can everybody say response? Response means to show some reaction to a force or stimulus. Okay, take note of the word reaction. It is also the reaction to a stimulus in the form of some movements in the body. So again, so as what I have said, the rat that is running around the phone, this is the stimulus. And the reaction of the cats, okay, the two cats trying to catch the rat is called the response to the given stimulus. These are some examples of stimulus response. For example, if you are cold, you should wear your jacket. So cold is the stimulus and wearing a jacket is a form of response. Next, a cat saw the cucumber and suddenly the cat jumped. So that is still the stimulus response example. Next is we have the word effector and receptor. Everybody say effector, receptor. So what is the difference of the two? When we say effector, it refers to our organ or cell that acts in response to a stimulus. Again, effector, the one that responds to the given stimulus. How about receptor? What is receptor? It is an organ or cell that able to respond to light, heat, or other external stimulus and transmit a signal to a sensory nerve. Okay, for example, in this picture, so we have here a glass of water, which is our stimulus, and then our receptors. So class, we have our senses. So we have 5 senses like our eyes, nose, ears. So that will serve as our receptors. Then next, our sensory neuron is the one that send the message to our brain, and our brain, the one that interprets the message and send the message through our motor neuron, and then our motor neuron will send the message to the effector, which is our bones and muscles, and this is the interpretation of our brain. Okay, so our brain wants to get that a glass of water as a response to the given stimulus and drink. Okay? Okay, so before we have our review today, let me remind you that I prepared a short quiz and I attached it in your Google Class or in your Google Classroom. So kindly answer right after our discussion today. Okay, class, I would like you to compare your answer or check your own answer after this slide. Thank you so much and have a nice day.